Now, another shocking development in the investigation into the brutal assassination of Haitian former President Jovenel Moïse. Now, a judge ordered the Haitian National Police to arrest the widow of former president nearly 3 years after the horrible killing. According to Judge Walter Voltaire, the order to arrest Martine Moïse is because the First Lady refused repeatedly to answer his questions on a separate case, and not because of her involvement in her husband's assassination. Technically, the order to arrest is just because the judge feels his power is undermined. The former First Lady refused to show up before him in court. But according to documents provided to us, apparently Martine Moïse cannot leave the state without proper documentation and authorization from the Department of Homeland Security. Her visa is expired, and the renewal process, you might know already, takes time. For the record, the former First Lady, Martine Moïse, has already answered questions from Haitian authorities about the assassination of her husband. According to her attorneys, she stopped answering more questions because she doesn't have faith anymore in the Haitian justice system. Well, nearly 3 years after an assassination that shook the nation of Haiti, the Haitian Justice Department has yet to prosecute nor condemn anyone. Don't you think it's fair for the First Lady to be at least skeptical about the process and ask for clarification? While on the other hand, Haiti requested assistance from the United States, U.S. officials have already charged and prosecuted more suspects than Haiti itself. At least 3 people pleaded guilty and will spend the rest of their lives behind bars. A 360 now to Haiti. So far, no one has been formally charged. But according to several sources, the warrant is not recent. It was issued several months ago, sent to the Haitian National Police, but no arrest has been made because the former First Lady, Martine Moïse, is not in Haiti, but here in the United States. The warrant is now going viral when Judge Voltaire's term is about to expire. That should raise some eyebrows. Is it at least a move to force the Haitian Justice Department to renew his mandate? Has he already requested more time to produce more reports? Look, if the former First Lady has anything to do with the assassination of her husband, let it be known, so we as media and journalists can properly report it. But a warrant to arrest her just because the former First Lady could not travel to Haiti, or because a refusal to respond to more questions about a separate case that has absolutely nothing to do with her husband's death, appears to me as a political stunt, or just a way to be on the headlines for 5 minutes. Another key element to mention here, the name of the current Prime Minister of Haiti mentioned several times in a report about the assassination of former President Jovenel Moïse, report produced by the Haitian Department of Justice. Ariel Henry, for years, has refused to answer any questions to the Haitian judge regarding the killing. No arrest warrant was issued. On the contrary, the Haitian National Police reinforced his security team. And just recently, Prime Minister Ariel Henry agreed to talk to Judge Voltaire, not inside the judge's courtroom, but instead inside the Prime Minister's office with heavy security guards surrounding him, and the judge agreed. Same accommodations were given to other ministers of Haiti. As a reminder, on July 7th, 2021, President Jovenel Moïse was shot nearly 12 times inside his residence after a group of former Colombian soldiers, Haitian Americans, and Haitian police officers entered his bedroom. His wife, Martine Moïse, survived the brutal attack, was flown by air ambulance to South Florida for intense treatment.